taking a few minutes just to check out some fitment things here on the Concorde, and actually we did pretty good. I'm all the way out at the furthest places I can put these stems, and it's out so far that this bezel that comes with it does not fit at all. I had plans on maybe using this because it has a very similar trim to the factory bezel, but that's going to be out. But on a good note, the factory bezel is like, I mean, really, really good. I gotta do a little bit of trimming down here at the base, very little actually, and this will go on. There'll be a little bit of massaging here and there, but I think I can get this really set up pretty clean. Next, these are the knobs. These are the knobs that come with the unit, and this is a factory knob from the original AM radio. Very lucky here. This goes on and it does function here as well, so we're good with this particular knob. This one here, I will have to do some modifications. Pretty simple though, and you can see the difference here. It's basically just kind of adding a clip, and I'll be able to get these on here as well, and I'll be able to get this radio to function with factory knobs and a factory bezel. So stand by for some more updates on the Concorde 8-track player. All right, we're all measured out and our line is established, and this is the material that will have to be removed from the original factory bezel. As you can see, it's pretty minimal, and I'm going to go ahead and get that done and stand by. Measured twice, cut once. Well, I had that line on the wrong side of the bezel. I had it over here, and it actually has to be on the bottom, and my dyslexic self put it on the wrong side, but thank God I hadn't cut anything yet, so we're good now. We have our scribed line taped up, ready to go, and that's where it has to come off the bottom, and we'll get started. As Bobby says, it don't look all that bad. All right, we have our hole established. We had to modify the inside of these a little bit. I have a factory knob on this side just for fitment look and presentation, but it looks like it's going to go fairly well. Go ahead and get it in the car and then do some fine tuning on this bezel. And the original hole is a little wider than the box for the Concorde, but that's okay. We're going to end up doing some kind of a finish over the front of this. Just not sure exactly what yet. I just needed to make sure I can get the original bezel into place so we could secure the radio, and then we'll look at our options for final finish and fitment to get this thing as close to looking as an original setup as possible. Super clean is what we're going for. Oh, hello, Shop Kitty. What are you doing? All right, back to work.